When someone shows you who they are, believe them the first time. Maya Angelou. One of the most painful truths about dealing with a pathological narcissist, these toxic personalities, or these abusers is truly realizing that they don't have your back. Hence, no matter how much love, loyalty, or effort you give, when the pressure is on, you'll see where they will throw you under the bus. In today's lesson, I'll explain why pathological narcissists abandon, betray, and replace you so easily. And I'll share a real life example so you can spot the signs and protect yourself. Hi everyone, Shika here with NarcDojo, and here we talk about pathological narcissism, self-mastery, and raising your awareness so that you can identify and avoid these toxic personality types. First, understand that pathological narcissists can't do true loyalty. They are self-serving individuals. Hence, you will see where they don't have the capacity for loyalty. To them, people are objects. Hence, you will be objectified. So because people are objects to them, then people are meant to give supply, attention, or resources. And these resources could be physical or non-physical. So you'll see where they want your time, they want your energy, they want your attention, and they want your money. These people want to be on your team, but they are not team players. Hence, once you're no longer serving that purpose, once the object loses their purpose, you'll see where they see no reason to stand by you. And that is why betrayal comes so quickly. And here is a quick example. Let's say something happens and you are sick. So a normal, healthy partner, friend, or family member would show up for you. Maybe they bring you soup, they will check on you, and they will sit by your side. But when you are dealing with a pathological narcissist, they will disappear. Worse, if you're in an intimate relationship, maybe you're married to the narcissist, or maybe it is somebody that you're dating, you will see where oftentimes they might very well cheat on you while you're in bed recovering, because your illness inconveniences them. So instead of empathy, they'll seek out new supply that makes them feel powerful and adored. Next, let's talk about how these personality types like to throw other people under the bus to protect themselves. So know that when something goes wrong, a pathological narcissist will shift blame. This is their Darvo tactic. And know that Darvo, D-A-R-V-O, is a psychological manipulation tactic, and this stands for deny, attack, and reverse the roles of victim and offender. So what you will see is that oftentimes a perpetrator uses this pattern to avoid accountability by denying wrongdoing, attacking the accuser's credibility, and reversing the roles to position themselves as the true victim. This tactic can confuse the issues, making the victim doubt their own reality, and is often seen in context of abuse, such as domestic violence, or even within the legal system. So know that when you're dealing with one of these personality types, when something goes wrong, they'll just shift blame. They'll gossip about you, they will lie on you, they will smear your name, or even side with people who mistreat you. This is because their only concern is self-preservation. It is the preservation of that maladaptive ego that they have. So know that their only concern is self-preservation, not partnership. If you are dealing with a pathological narcissist, you are dealing with the You are dealing with your opponent. They are not on your side. Hence, they will sacrifice you to save themselves every single time. And know that this is exactly why healing and education are so important. Hence, if you're ready to break free from the toxic dynamics and reclaim your energy, check out the links in the description section below. I invite you to book a one-on-one session or join the group mentorship program, the Master Your Energy group mentorship program, and together we will break these cycles, set boundaries, and unlock your authentic self. All of this is available at NarcDojo.com. In a nutshell, here's the truth. A pathological narcissist will throw you under the bus because they never planned to ride with you in the first place. They are not in it for love, loyalty, or partnership. They are in it for themselves. But here is the good news. Once you are able to recognize this, you stop expecting loyalty from the disloyal. And you stop expecting fidelity from an infidel. You stop pouring into people who can't pour back into you. And with that, you are able to reclaim your energy from those who do not have your back. Now, if today's video resonated with you, please ensure that you like this video, subscribe for daily videos just like this, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Remember, your healing begins the moment you stop expecting a predator to protect you. Take care of your spirit, and I'll see you in the next video.